here in Taman Megah. It's opposite Mega Rice Mall. So I'm trying this new restaurant today. Just opened. So let's see what they have. Bukit Mentajam chicken rice. Okay. Quite a number of stalls. Oh, okay. There got a lot of people. Stores there. This is a drinks menu. I don't know whether you can see something that catches your eyes or not, but this is what something catches my eyes. I saw now here this name Ovaltine. They still serve Ovaltine here, very old school. Order the curry chi chong fan. This is a pig skin. And this one told me they make themselves, one is homemade. And also this. So I ordered small, later I'm going to try something else. But this is the interesting part. This one is coffee without sugar, without milk. And it's a very cow coffee, supposed to be a cow coffee, so they call it Boss Cool Cow Cow. So $4.50 for this, let me try. Okay, so this is the Boss Cool Cow Cow. The coffee is strong, I like it. There's a foamy up there, but it's not milk. There's no sugar, no milk inside. So it's actually kopi O with cow. $4.50 for a big one. I'll say this is actually worth the price. Next time I can come here and sit instead of inside the mall. Okay, now I'll try the Chi Chong Fan. Wow. This is the Yu Tao Mai. It's so good that I ordered the second one. Now I order ice. Boss Cool Cow Cow ice version. This one is $4.80. Previous one just now hot one, big one is $4.50. 30 cents difference. PM, so most of them kind of closed, but these are what is available here.